Hello,
Hello, good evening, sir.
good evening, Sonam. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Good, good to see you. So,
Same here, sir.
when is your interview?
Tomorrow, sir,
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Are you a little bit
Yeah, at
nervous?
11. Yes, I'm a bit nervous.
Okay, you don't have to be nervous,
Yeah.
I would say, and just enjoy the process. You have come a very long way. Don't forget that. It is a moment to cherish, probably ever, forever.
Yes, sir.
It'll be great building block in your coming career, I would say. So
Thank you,
today
sir.
I will try to be your visa officer. Okay,
Okay, good.
try to
Yes, sir.
grill
Uh,
you in a way so that you become more nervous, but you don't have to be nervous. Okay. At the end
okay.
of the, I think this session will provide you some input that what I feel like not only as a mentor but someone who doesn't know you. Okay. What else you
Okay,
can
sir.
do? Yeah. So enjoy. I mean, your expression should be just you're gonna enjoy the process. Okay.
Okay.
Generally, I have seen recent interviews like if you will take a case of Sonali is there and Neha is there and who else? Himani is there, right?
Abhi, yes,
Abhishek,
Abhishek is also there.
Abhishek, Priyanka is there. The various
Yeah.
spectrum. Some might taking like 2 minutes, a couple of questions. Or Anju
Yeah.
also, I think Anju shared with me like 3 questions and that's it. The visa bingo approved and you're
Okay.
all set to go to US for your research uh, that you want to pursue. So I have list of questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Yeah.
suppose you're coming to me, what you should say?
Good morning, officer. How are you?
Well, thank you. I'm good.
Yeah.
So what are you
Yeah.
here for?
I'm here for my visa interview. Actually, I'm enrolled to get PhD from New Mexico State University in
Okay.
material physics.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Here,
yeah, go ahead.
yeah, there I'll be studying the magnetic properties of matter.
Matter. Okay. So what is your specialization during your master's program?
In my master's program, my specialization is material physics in physics.
Mhm.
So I studied the various properties of matter and how the properties get changed when they put in external parameters like pressures, temperature, and high magnetic field.
Okay. So basically, your condensed matter physicist going through your
Okay.
CV. Yeah, your CV
Yeah.
suggests that you are working as an assistant professor in University of Rajasthan.
Yes, I have been working there since last 2 years.
Hmm.
After my graduation, I got opportunity to work there in my college, so I started working there.
So what you brings, what you want to, why you want to pursue a PhD program?
After my masters, I want to work on my analytical and research skills. So I was planning to do PhD in my expertise. So since in my expertise, so I applied for PhD program. I think it will help me and enhance my research skills and practical skills also.
Okay. So why not in India? Why US?
Because in India we generally focus on theoretical knowledge, not in practical knowledge, and also the research lab in USA are using the modern technologies, and their laboratories are world class. Also, uh, the degree from US institution is recognized worldwide, and it will open a lot of job opportunities for me.
Okay. How many university did you apply and how many you did get into your admission?
I yeah, I apply in 6 university and got admission from 2 universities. I also get a letter of uh, from one university. My application got deferred to fall 2022.
So why this university in New Mexico? Why not the other
Uh,
one?
Because the physics school of New Mexico State University is among top 3 schools, and also they imbibe the practical and the innovative skills to their students.
Mhm.
And the Department of Physics, their current research is in my expertise. Actually, they are working on the magnetic properties and also nanostructural materials. They are preparing a novel nanostructural material for next generation.
So, have you interacted with any of the professors at New Mexico?
Not yet, but I'm fascinated by the work the Professor Heinrich laboratory is doing.
Okay.
Actually, they are working on the materials, and they are recognizing the properties of the material after exposing to the external parameters.
So your program is fully funded?
Yes, sir. I'm fully funded student. I got full scholarship as well as assistantship.
So what are your plans after getting your PhD?
As I always pursue my career in academics, so I want to become a professor to teach, and also I want to do some research. So I'll come back in India and open an institute for those who are unable to get high education in my hometown.
That is your. Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Yeah. Are you planning sometime soon?
Not yet, because recently I want to focus on my career first.
Have you visited any other country in last few years?
Yes, in 2017, during my master's, I visited Japan. It was a 10-day trip, totally funded by Japanese government.
And
so
what
it
you
was
worked on
just
there?
an cultural, it was an cultural exchange program. So we came there and saw their research lab, and came to know about which technology they are using in their laboratories.
Okay. Nice. Well, thank you. Your visa is approved.
Thank you, sir. I hope so.
So yeah, I want to provide some input in here. जैसे आपने word use किया ना, expertise, right?
Expertise. Yeah.
So, well, you're not expert in any of the research field yet, right? During your master's program,
Okay,
I think,
yes, sir.
you don't have master's thesis, right? And
Yes, sir.
that gives
Yeah.
kind of some kind of privilege to say, well, you have some experience, but I think your master's, your specialization was condensed matter, right?
Yes, sir.
You
Condensed
can
matter.
say you specialized in that, but do not use the word expert. Expert is might take
Okay.
like 10 years working after PhD, then only you use the word.
Okay.
Well, you have a specific, you have chosen, you have solved a specific problem that your PhD, then you are the word expert, probably in that way. And we don't feel tense. I mean, your face is so tense, right? I know. Well,
Okay.
this way, but enjoy that.
Yes, I will be I will be wearing masks, sir, so it will not.
Oh,
be
in
seen.
front of it, then you have to wear up. Maybe they just pull it down and pull it
Yeah.
back.
Okay. Yes, sir. I have a question. Like in my.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, I have a question. Like in my resume, there is on my objective, I write that I want to pursue my career in biophysics.
Okay.
But now I'm saying like my specialization is condensed matter physics. So will that be contradictory or?
Well, you're a physicist. It's most versatile field. Biophysics, right? I mean, condensed matter or solid state in a way. It's our interdisciplinary field. Okay. Because SOP. Do you remember SOP? Can you read me that,
Yes, sir.
paragraph that we wrote, just specific to the school that we paged your potential research in there?
For New Mexico State
Yeah,
University?
yes.
Department of Physics at New Mexico State University is a esteemed institution which has fearless reputation for emphasizing practical knowledge and innovation for its students coming with different background, races, and nationalities. University research program looms large in my mind, largely because of its outstanding faculty in material physics research field of my interest. The faculty research groups are developing novel structural material for next generation technologies and studying these materials using a variety of experimental and theoretical tools. The groups are well equipped for modern research with major in-house experimental equipments, including ultra-fast laser scanning probe microscope, electron microscope, and X-ray spectrometer. Okay, X-ray spectrometer. Maybe it will go to biophysics.
Okay.
Professor Heinrich Nekoty's research group studies the magnetic and relative properties in a large variety of materials such as correlated electron system, permanent magnet, superconductors, and nanostructured magnet. His group been studying how magnetic properties will be modified when the material under investigation is exposed to extreme external conditions such as very low temperature, very high pressure, or very high magnetic fields. He has recently published an interesting article titled U2Ni2S. I find the research finding very interesting as uranium U2Ni2S can be classified as Ising system. I'm fascinated by good research facilities and advanced research at New Mexico State University, and interest in nanostructural magnetic based research.
Okay. Yeah. So what
I will be
go ahead, continue.
Yes, I will be a good addition to Professor Nekoty's research group for my PhD candidacy.
Yeah.
I'm also motivated to computational research to support my experimental research results that can lead to high impact papers during my PhD program at NMSU.
बहुत तगड़ा लिखा हुआ
That's all.
तो एक काम करिए.
Yes, sir.
I think you should remember this part. तो आपको यही पैरेलल करना है. तो जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है ना उसको चेंज कर दीजिए. सीवी का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है, ओके, आई मीन सीवी का मॉडिफाई कर दीजिए. आई थिंक यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल एक्सपेरिमेंटली एज वेल एज थ्योरेटिकली, आई मीन कंप्यूटेशनली.
यस सर जी.
ये लाइन ऐड कर लीजिए और बायोफिजिक्स निकाल दीजिएगा. जनरली वो लोग वहाँ पे सीवी देखते नहीं है इन जनरल, बट स्टिल उस लाइन को चेंज कर दीजिए तो इट विल बी पैरेलल विद योर CV.
ओके सर. ओके,
ठीक है. any questions?
हाँ बिल्कुल. No, not yet, sir.
Yeah. So enjoy, I would say. Okay, stay happy from internally. A great opportunity knocking.
Yes, sir.
जो आप पूरा एक साल से लगे हुए थे, वो आज अपॉर्चुनिटी है और बहुत अच्छा होगा. You work hard for that, I would say, and no one can deny you entering, I mean pursuing your research जो आप चाहते थे. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And I would say all the best. Enjoy. And tell me afterwards. Okay?
Yes, thank you, sir. It is happening just because of you and your guidance.
Well, thank
it's
you.
all happening because of you.
Your hard work too. Don't forget that. Okay,
yes,
सोनम जी, ठीक है? तो बात करता हूँ मैं आपसे.
Okay, sir.
Take care.
जी बिल्कुल. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Same here. Bye. Bye.